dab of chocolate makes for the easiest Easter treat around. Studio 5 editor Maddy Tolman will show us how. Maddy, we love chocolate and pretzels, right? They're already the perfect pair.
Yes.
But this Easter twist is really fun.
It's so cute, and the pretzel is the perfect stencil for an Easter shape.
Yeah, which I would not have thought of until I saw this.
Yeah, right?
Okay, what are we gonna do to make it?
Okay, we've got our pretzels here. We've lined our sheet with parchment paper because that helps it not stick. I've got some white chocolate melted down. I've dyed it yellow.
Cute.
So it's that cute chick
yes,
color.
It's a perfect Easter yellow.
So fun. So what I've learned here, we're gonna dab our chocolate into the pretzels. The more chocolate you do, you wanna flood.
Oh, okay, you do want a lot in there.
You wanna flood the pretzel. I'm gonna do a couple and then I'll let you try your hand.
Okay.
Hand out one there. But yeah, you're gonna just flood those 3 little holes with your white chocolate.
Yeah, and you can see with the close-up, how we go over. It's really overlapping the top of the pretzel.
Generous
Okay,
with your chocolate pretzels. And it doesn't have to be perfect. If you want to
my gosh, wait, how did you?
Yeah!
Okay, wait, keep the spoon.
Up.
Let me try again, There we go.
Give your hand.
Okay.
If you mess up and you want
a
cleaner edge, you're just gonna take a toothpick and kind of color. Try it
cute.
out.
Okay. Look, I learned you have to bring that spoon down.
Really close.
There we go. I started too high on that middle one, and you can see. Okay, I learned my lesson.
Go.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. What are we doing after we have it filled with the yellow?
So then we get to give them a cute little face.
Oh, okay.
So
what are we
gonna
using?
use chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips for the ice.
Oh yeah.
And you're just gonna pop one in. This is where you realize how shaky your hands are. And it takes a lot.
Get that right in the right spot.
Right in the
Wait,
eyeball.
did you do the pointy part down or up? What?
Down.
Oh, okay.
But you can do it up. Give it a little 3D eye. Then the beak is where you can really have fun. We can do orange M&Ms. You're just gonna stick it sideways.
Oh, okay.
And pop it kind of in that little crevice there and give him, that looks like a little lopsided face. Or an orange sprinkle. Oh, yours is cute.
There we go.
Get Courtney's, that's good. You can use an orange sprinkle.
Oh.
Give him a little mouth.
And you've got some of the, is that chocolate?
Yeah, it's just orange colored chocolate. And you're just same thing, you're gonna give him a little, I didn't give that one an eye.
Okay, and you said online you saw somebody do it as a bunny too, so that could be an option as well.
You could do white chocolate, add the eyes.
Love it. Okay, Maddy, this is so fun. Thanks for showing us.
Yeah.